Hi everyone, Jim Byrne here with a quick tip for Autodesk Assistant in Fusion. This is ImageGen powered by Microsoft. Now that you have a great design, you love it, create a rendering in just seconds using natural language. Tell the assistant what you want in the image. Then continue to make changes as you go. There's no rendering features that you need to learn, no need to add additional 3D models to the design. Just tell it to add something like a water bottle to the table. Even tell it what you want the items to look like. What style and color do you want them to be? Or change the appearance of your model. Make it a different material or color. Add highlights to the model edges. The preview takes seconds to create, so you don't even need to walk away from your computer. If you're happy with the preview, then play around with the lighting as well. Make it more professional depending on the purpose of the final image. This workflow enables you to create a rendering very quickly and make iterative changes. Even use ImageGen for collaboration with team members or customers. Add context to your design ahead of review sessions. And speed up the approval process. In just minutes, ImageGen and Autodesk Assistant has the potential to help you to win more bids and reduce time to market.